In today's video, I'm going to show you how to share a WhatsApp link on Facebook. Whether you're promoting a business, sharing a group invite, or just want to make it easier for friends to reach you on WhatsApp, this tutorial has got you covered. So let's jump right in. First, let's create the WhatsApp link you want to share. There are main two types of links you can share. Use the link. First is direct chat link. This link allows people to start a chat with you directly on WhatsApp. To create that link, simply go on Open WhatsApp or tap on Invite a friend and click on Share Invite Link and click on Copy. Now that you have your link, let's share it on Facebook. You can do this via either the Facebook app or by Facebook website. Now open the Facebook and click on What's on Your Mind and simply paste the link over there. You can also add a message to explain what the link for is, and so you need to simply post it, and that's it. Your WhatsApp link is now shared on Facebook. Anyone who clicks on it will be taken directly to WhatsApp, either to start a chat with you or join your group.